So hey everyone, today I'm making the most requested dish, Uppudvindi, a quick and tasty traditional recipe. So let's get started. In a pan add some oil. Once hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves and green chilies. Then add finely chopped onions with a pinch of salt and ginger garlic paste and cook until they turn soft. Pour in 1 cup of water. As it comes to a boil, add 1 cup of rice flour and gradually stir it. Mix well until the flour absorbs the water. And that's it. Delicious, simple and wholesome Uppudvindi is ready to serve. Enjoy it warm with your favorite chutney or pickle. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such recipes.